Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade candy corn ice cream. Now this is absolutely amazing. If you love candy corn, you're going to love this. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Before we start making this recipe, look below this video at that subscribe button. If it's red, all you have to do is click on it and it'll turn it gray. Also, if you enjoy what I do here, be sure to hit that like button because I really want to get to 200 likes on this video. Now back to the recipe. The first thing we need to do to make this recipe is start out with a small pot. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of candy corn. Now just bring this over to the stove. We want to heat it over medium heat until all that candy corn is melted and dissolved. And once you've seen that all the candy corn has melted and dissolved, we can turn off our heat. And we're just going to leave this sit until it reaches room temperature. When your candy corn and your heavy cream have come to room temperature, now what we're going to do is make our base for the ice cream. And do that like I've done a million times before. Only this time we're going to use 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, just 1 cup. Put it in a large bowl. Just whisk this up until it reaches stiff peaks. All right, so when your heavy cream has reached stiff peaks, it should have doubled in size. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Now we're gonna only add about a half a can of this sweetened condensed milk. That's a 14-ounce can, so it's 7 ounces. Wanna add that in there. Fold this in. Then we want to come back to our melted candy corn and heavy cream, and we want to add that in there. There might be some chunks of those candy corns in there. They may not have melted, but that's okay. We can put them into this mix too. Just fold that into this. Once that's folded in, we want to add about between a half a cup and another cup of candy corn. Fold that in. Now we're going to bring in our freezer safe dish and dish these out. And you can sprinkle a few candy corns on top, just for decorative purposes. Now just take some plastic wrap, put it over top of your ice cream, press it all the way down. Put your lid on. We're gonna put this in the freezer overnight, or at least 4 to 6 hours. All right, so we left our candy corn ice cream in the freezer overnight. Let's see how it looks. All right, I don't see any candy corns. They must have sunk to the bottom. Let's scoop it out. Ooh, nice. It scoops out real easy. It's not too hard. So it's a very soft ice cream. It's almost like a sherbet. And decorate it with some more candy corn. Well, now it's time for the taste test. We're going to dig into our homemade candy corn ice cream, and it looks nice. I can't wait to try it. Wow. You can really taste the candy corn. And I haven't even got any of the candy corn itself that we mixed in there. This is good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this candy cane ice cream. It's a really fun recipe to make for Halloween, and I hope you make it for yourself. If you do, please share it with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. Also, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And until then, I'll see you next time. We're going to dig into our homemade. We're going to bring out a Damn it.